Question number 52. A laborer was engaged for 30 days on the condition that rupees 50 will be paid for each day he works and rupees 15 will be subtracted from his wages for each day he is absent. At the end of 30 days, if he receives rupees 850 in all, he worked for how many days? In this problem, we have to find out how many days he has worked. We will assume he worked for 8 days, x days. We will assume he works for x days. In that case, he will be absent for 30 minus x days. If he works for x days, he will be absent for 30 minus x days because total number of days are only 30. So 50x minus 30 minus x, 15 rupees, total amount he got 850. So x value comes to 20, that means he worked for 20 days. So answer is C, 20 days. Question number 53. A worker is engaged for 30 days on the condition that he receives rupees 100 for each day he works and is fined rupees 30 for each day he is absent. If he gets rupees 1700 in all, he was absent for how many days? Total amount 100 into 30, that is 3000. Total amount 100 into 30, that is 3000. He received 1700. That means still he has to get 1300. Question says he has received 1700. That means still he has to get 1300. Therefore he was absent for 10 days. That means he was absent for 10 days. So answer is 10 days. That is multiple choice E. Question number 54. A worker is engaged for 25 days on the condition that he will be paid rupees 35 for each day he works and will be fined rupees 15 for every day he is absent. If he receives rupees 625 in all, he worked for how many days? Total salary. Total salary 35 into 25, 875. Amount to be received is 250. So 250 by 50, that is 5. 5 days he was absent. In this problem they are asking how many days he has worked. Out of 25 days he was absent for 5 days. That means he worked for 20 days. Number 55. A man engaged a servant on the condition that he would be paid rupees 7100 and a uniform after 1 year of service. He served only for 8 months and received rupees 4600 and a uniform. The cost of the uniform is rupees. 12 months is equal to 7,100 plus uniform. 12 months is equal to 7,100 plus 2 uniforms. For 8 months, he got 4,600. That means for 4 months, you should get 2,500. For 4 months, 2,500. If he might have worked for 8 months, he might have got 5,000. If he might have worked for 8 months, he might have got 5,000. So instead of 5,000, he got 4,600. So difference between these two will be the cost of the uniform. If he worked for 8 months, he might have got 5,000, but he got only 4,600. So difference between these two is the cost of the uniform. So answer is 400. Question number 56. A certain number when divided by 81 leaves a remainder of 53. What is the remainder if the same number is divisible by 27? A certain number divided by 81 leaves a remainder of 53. Divided by 27. Remainder is 26. So answer is 26. 57th problem. Two numbers when divided by a certain divisor gives remainder 437 and 298 respectively. When their sum is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 236. The divisor is equal to R1 plus R2 minus R3. Divisor is equal to R1 plus R2 minus R3. That is 437 plus 298 minus 236. That is 499. So answer is D, 499. Question number 58. A number when divided by a certain divisor leaves a remainder of 57. When twice the number is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 49. The divisor is same formula. 57 plus 57 minus 49. 57 plus 57, 114. 114 minus 49, 65. So answer is 65. Question number 59. The number of prime numbers contained in 15 to the power 13 into 14 to the power 21 into 62 to the power 7 is 15 to the power 13 into 14 to the power 21 into 62 to the power 7. Number of prime factors: 3 into 5, 15, 2 into 7, 14, 2 into 31 to the power 7. This is 21 plus 7, 28 into 3 to the power 13 into 5 to the power 13 into 7 to the power 21 into 31 to the power 7. So they are asking total number of prime numbers. 28 plus 13, 41, 41 plus 13, 54, 54 plus 21, 75, plus 7, 82. So answer is 82. That is multiple choice D. Question number 60. The number of different prime numbers used in 21 to the power 17 into 15 to the power 12 into 51 to the power 9. The number of different prime numbers used in 21 to the power 17 into 15 to the power 12 into 51 to the power 9. Three into 7, 3 into 5, 3 into 17. So 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. There are 4 prime numbers, so answer is 4, that is multiple choice B.